All right, YouTube, welcome back. Process for Profits. I am Purry. All service business, all success, service business simplified. And today I want to talk about the hiring process and when you should hire and how you should hire. You should start looking for subcontractors that meet your criteria once you decide what it is you're looking to do. So, if you're going to do cleaning, you immediately need to look for cleaning subcontractors. Likewise for painting, windows, so forth and so on. Now, at that same time that you're looking for those contractors, you're going to be looking as well for your clients. So you make sure they have all necessary paperwork that you need for your local area. Do your research, you'll figure out exactly what paperwork you need, what paperwork you don't need, what insurances you need, what insurances you can get exempt forms for. So, unless you're looking to be self-employed, you're going to want to look to hire as soon as you decide and narrow down what service business it is you're going to start. Now, where and the how. Essentially, how I go about it, how we've gone about it, is Craigslist and Facebook. Now, the reason I don't do the Angie's List is because those companies pay to be listed on that site, and then a lot of those companies subcontract out their work. So you never know what you're going to get and who you're going to get. I might as well go direct as opposed to through something else or someone else. So you put exactly what it is you're looking for and who it is you're looking for in great detail. You want to clarify in detail on Facebook, your professional page that you post on, what it is you're looking for, who it is you're looking for. And on Craigslist, the opposite. You're looking for the companies that are posting, this is what they do. So if they post this is what they do, if it's what you're looking for, you want to contact them, make sure they have the paperwork, put them on your list. So that when the time comes and you get your first client, there is no delay in being able to call someone. You're not, okay, now I have the client and the contract signed, I need to go find a cleaner. A lot of times starting out, because you're going to start with a lot of small residential places, they're going to need you within a day, 4 days. So it's going to take you a while to get qualified people. Now, you're going to run into some problems as you're out looking for these qualified candidates. Most oftentimes, we run into the self-employed person. You're looking to be the business owner. The self-employed person works, and then when they're tired, they don't work. And oftentimes they tend to burn themselves out quickly because they don't have a system or a process for help. So you're going to want to work them as much as you can, but always be filling your pipeline with additional subcontractors. I would say at an average every 5 jobs, try out a new one. That way you know how they work. That way you can add them to your list as, okay, verified, certified. They can do it our way to our standards. And if it doesn't meet the GC standards, they're willing, without argument, to go back out there and fix it for said GC in order to get paid, get the job done. That's what you're going to run into a lot of the time. Also, they're going to overpromise and underdeliver. A lot of them are going to have kids. They're going to want to show up to the job site with kids or boyfriends. Again, they're self-employed people, and they're just looking to make the money as efficiently as they can for their household. You can work with that. Everybody deserves an opportunity, but make it very clear that it's not acceptable on the job sites that you send them to for their spouses to be there. It's just not acceptable. For insurance purposes, number one way to get them to say, okay, and you move on to the next thing. So first, once you narrow down what it is you're going to do, painting, windows, or cleaning. I say these 3 things because you don't need licenses for the most part. You don't have to go to school. Your overhead's very low, especially with painting. Some of the time, they're going to tell you exactly what paint to go get. You have a vendor contract with Sherwin-Williams or whatever, you're good to go. Window cleaning, a squeegee. You can rent a ladder from Home Depot. Cleaning, you have all the supplies in your home to get the job done. So these are some of the easiest things to get into and be the subcontractor, because construction is nothing but a bunch of subcontracting. The developer lands the contract with the owner. He in turn goes out and finds tradesmen, framers, plumbers, electricians, and he, the developer, only employs project managers, secretaries, assistants, and they use a lot of day labor. So if you can niche out where you want to be in the service industry, you can get a lot of money. A lot of money. But your main goal and your first goal should be using people as leverage to duplicate yourself. Once you can duplicate yourself and realize that no matter if they do it 75% of the right way, it's done. And it doesn't have to be perfect. They can go do it again. You're seeking perfection, but you're not demanding perfection. Get people to work for you and with you. You could be very profitable. But understand it's a headache. And the people you're looking to work with and contract with aren't always looking to make money. You're going to ask yourself a lot of time, what's wrong with people? Don't they want to make money? Why don't they answer the phone? Why is their phone off? What's going on? So just prepare yourself mentally for that, and you'll be just fine, man. You'll be able to be very successful. If you guys are looking to start a service business, looking to start a cleaning company, the course is coming out. The pre-sale is available now. And look forward to changing your 2020. Peace.